welcome back. My name is Ivica Cartello and you are watching my first finished React application blog. In this video I have for goals two things. First is that you see blog application, React blog application in working state, like final product. But in same time, I want that you produce that from zero to finished, but not by coding every detail and lose big picture in production. I want that you copy code, and as that you remember marginal tasks. What have been shadow if we go in details. I think on beginning in which folder you create an npm order and npx order, npm order for creation and npm order for installation of tools, of package, what we need for coding links, and that you see pages package JSON and how help us package JSON. Okay, it is my goal, two goals, and for that you will copy code in GISTs. Address for that will be in description behind the video, and you need app application on my repository, GitHub repository. Download and take a folder with images, what you need for public assets, images, and complete with copy. We will not disperse a lot of because there is no more details in that complete task in this video, and there is no more details, and you concentrate on task for copy paste, and look at the end, look at application in browser, blog application in browser. After that, in the next video, I will code every row code in detail in that video. But I think now maybe better that in the next video I speak about code. I make description. I teach this code, what you copy, and after teaching, I coding by hand every row, and by that you can repeat this video, and you can coding also for your experience, for your exercise. Okay, let's go with this video. In a map how-to, I'm going to create application app 7. npx create React app 7. Enter. I'm going to open app 7. In this React application, I need tools for links. I will have it by this command. npm install save React router React router DOM monkey version 5.2.0 dot. Open apps 7, open public, and create folder assets, this one, and inside that folder create folder images, and in that images you have images what what we need for our React application. That images, that folder, you copy from here. I will give you address in description behind the video. Download this my application, and after that open that and take open public and you have asset images, and copy that maps images and create as I have created in public folder assets, and install here folder images. Now open src folder and create in that folder folder components, in folder components create file home page.js. Again, create files in folder component, blog post.js, and in components create file blog posts dash data.js. Go to this address of gist app3, and copy by order. At first, app.css row, click row, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, copy, app CSS, I close terminal, close terminal, app.css, click, Ctrl A, delete, and Ctrl V. I copy here my CSS. Back. Next, app.js row. Click, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, app.js. Click, Ctrl A, Ctrl V. It is my coding app.js. In this video, only copy, and you don't need watch on the code because this is operation. Your fingers, keyboard, and copy paste. Because goals of this video is that you from zero create React application blog to final by copy paste, and you see in working your React application. You look at panoramic look on that operation, what we need to do to produce, to create a React application. It is app.js. Here is back. App.js. Now, blog post.js row. Click, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, blog post.js, click, Ctrl V. You see these pages, this component we produce with coding from zero. Pardon, all what we copy, all is from zero. But I want to say that app.js we had app.css we had, but we didn't have blog post data.js and homepage.js. Green color means something new, and this orange color means something changed. Okay, let's go to blog post data.js. Here is back. Blog post data, here it is. Row. Click. Control A, Control C. Click. Control V. And home page .js, here is back. Homepage.js, row, click, Control A, Control C, Alt Tab, click, Control V. It's all what we need for our finished. It is complete for final blog React application. Start, terminal, new terminal. Look at it is how to. I must go to maps and application, app 7, cd, app 7, enter, npm, start, npm start, we start npm, we start node server, yeah, JavaScript server for our application, and with that we start our application. Our application would be visible, would be in working state in our web browser. React Router DOM I must again, pardon, I must control here, control here, a package JSON, yeah, you now see why we need a package.json file. It is all tools what we have and the version of that tool. Of course, I don't look at now this open, and I'm going repeat. I am going to repeat Control C, yes, with the key on keyboard, arrow up, I go through maybe we don't need this point. Enter. Look at now. React Router DOM. Let's go look at in a web browser. We must I must start again here. I can with arrow up find command from history. npm start, enter. Here it is. Here is our React application, full React application blog. This is home page. You look at what is web. It is link number 1. What to do when my market gets. It is again home page. In home page we have 3 posts. On the home page there is a 3 post with picture, short 150 characters, and heading picture 115 characters from content. Heading image 150 characters. Heading image 150. But here we have only heading. Heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. It will be always here left. It is menu. And when we click in some heading, in some option in menu, we have only that post. Heading of that post, image, and complete content. When we click in other, okay. Homepage left side is only heading of our post. But when we take one post, we have short description or 150 characters here. Heading 150 characters here. It is very, very important that you look at this and this part of video, look at many times, that you understand what is my start point. What is start point when we ready to create some React application? We must know on paper or on the head, our head, we must have a story. What we need, what is goal of our web application, but in detail. For example, I want at home page that I see all posts. In my database, JSON database, I have only 3 posts, and I see all 3 posts here. Heading, image, and 150 characters of content. On the left side, I want to see only heading of that 3 posts. Up here is a link for home. It is, for example, principal heading of some of blog, technology, business, education, for example, and click on this, we always go to home page. But click on some of this menu, we go to concretely post and read that post. It is a story about this React application. Detail about JSON database and other detail in coding in next video. Slowly coding every row, every instruction, every statement, and we have times for discussion of every details in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.